The best solution to fix a cracked slab foundation. You recently noticed the floors of your slab foundation home are uneven. Further investigation reveals a crack in the slab. The worst thoughts begin to enter your imagination, cutting the slab out and repouring it. I know many of us would get those types of thoughts. Stay tuned and I'll explain the best ways to fix a cracked slab foundation. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. A crack in your slab foundation is not to be taken lightly. In this video, I'll explain the fix for a crack in your home slab, a settling slab, and a settling footer. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. Anytime you get a crack in a concrete slab, what you want to look at is if that crack is offset when compared to the other side of that crack. If it's level and the rest of your floor is level, it could just simply be a crack in the slab. And if so, you just want to get that sealed. But you really want to pay attention to see if one side is offset compared to the other. It is possible for just the slab and a slab foundation to settle. It's what we call a floating slab. So the slab is actually poured usually a foot or two above the footing itself. Therefore, it's just sitting on fill. So fill can settle over time, allowing the slab to independently settle from the foundation of your home. But you want to make sure you inspect both so that you don't think that you just fixed a problem without fixing the other problem as well. Anytime we see a slab settle, we want to make sure we check the footer. The reason that is like I said before, they can settle separately, but usually the reason that the slab settles is a reason that the footer could be settling as well. Although they're different fixes and they can be because of two little bit of different things, we want to make sure that one thing is not causing both to settle and we fix both of them so that you truly have the problem repaired. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your slab settling? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.